Once upon a time, a group of thrill-seeking adventurers set out on a remarkable journey through northern Vietnam. With the roar of engines and hearts full of excitement, we embarked on an 8-day motorcycle tour with Vietnam Motorbike Tours, ready to conquer rugged terrains and create unforgettable memories. Day 1. Our adventure began as we left the bustling city of Hanoi and rode towards Ta Xua in Son La. The winding roads led us through stunning landscapes, and as we climbed higher, the views became even more breathtaking. The day ended with us arriving in Ta Xua, known for its majestic peaks and awe-inspiring cloud formations. Day 2. We set off from Ta Xua, navigating the challenging off-road trails to Ngoc Chien. The ride was thrilling, with rugged paths testing our skills and resilience. The beauty of Ngoc Chien greeted us with its serene landscapes and welcoming local communities, making the day truly rewarding. Day 3. From Ngoc Chien, we rode to Tuan Giao, enjoying the ever-changing scenery of Son La. The journey was a mix of adrenaline-pumping off-road trails and picturesque vistas. Tuan Giao charm lay in its tranquility and the warmth of its people, offering a perfect respite after a day of adventurous riding. Day 4. Our route took us from Tuan Giao to Muong Lay in Dien Bien. The rugged terrain and river crossings made for an exhilarating ride. The breathtaking landscapes of Muong Lay, with its lush greenery and stunning valleys, provided the perfect backdrop for our day's end. Day 5. From Muong Lay, we journeyed to the renowned town of Sapa in Lao Cai. The ride was filled with scenic beauty, from terraced rice fields to mist-covered mountains. Sapa welcomed us with its vibrant culture and stunning vistas, making it a highlight of our trip. Day 6. We rode from Sapa to Bac Ha, a town famous for its colorful markets and rich cultural heritage. The journey was a feast for the senses, with the vibrant market scenes and the stunning landscapes of Lao Cai. Bac Ha's lively atmosphere and cultural richness left a lasting impression on us. Day 7. From Bac Ha, we made our way to Vu Lien by Thac Ba Lake in Dien Bien. The ride was a blend of challenging trails and serene lake views. The tranquility of Thac Ba Lake provided a perfect setting for reflection and relaxation after days of adventurous riding. Day 8. Our final day saw us riding back to Hanoi, filled with a sense of accomplishment and joy. The journey had been an odyssey of discovery, friendship, and breathtaking landscapes. As we rode the last kilometers, we knew the memories and bonds we had formed would last a lifetime. Join us on this unforgettable adventure, We are dedicated to providing you with exceptional experiences and lasting memories. Visit our website today to plan your next journey with us. An odyssey of discovery, friendship, and breathtaking landscapes awaits you. Join us as we explore the wonders of northern Vietnam on two wheels.